Hi, this is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Today we're going to be doing a ring repair. This is our ring. So we've got a couple things going on. It's out of round and we can see that our pear is completely misaligned with the ring. So it took an impact and the prongs are barely holding onto this. So what we're going to be doing is removing the head. We're going to be replacing it with this head. It's a 5-prong, and we're going to improve the junction point here so it's no longer just this like one bar. We're going to try and set it deeper into this V and get more coverage, so that way the head's more attached to the entire V. And we've also got a stone missing, so we'll be replacing that too. So the first step is to remove the stone and remove the head, and then we'll focus on cleaning this head up and then attaching that. We removed the stone, so now we're going to remove the head of the ring, and then we're going to reshape everything. So we removed the head from this ring. You can kind of see now we've got some good looking, you can see the definition of the prongs. So the next step here, we're gonna reshape this a little bit and get the ring true again. And then once we do that, we'll set that little stone and then we'll start sculpting this area where the head's gonna set. So next step, we've reshaped it. We're gonna put the stone in and then we're gonna tighten all the stones that are loose. We set the stone in the top and then we tightened all the stones on the top, went through and split this up. This had been impacted by the solder that was on there, so we went and split that too. So we'll finish tightening up all the rest of the stones and then we'll start worrying about carving down this area so that way it can accommodate this head. All right, stones are all set. So now we're gonna start sculpting a little bit of where this V is, and we'll put this head into that. The new head has been attached to the ring. It's all soldered on. Next step is we're gonna cut the seats for the stone, and then we'll set the stone. We've attached the head, we've set the stone in, so now we're gonna be working on the final polishing, and then we'll ultrasonic and clean the ring. All right, the ring is finished. It's been clean, polished. All the stones have been checked, so it's ready to go. Well, thanks for joining us. This is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.